Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Sumrak muna here for another toy review and we will be discussing guys kundi ang 112 scale The Dark Knight Trilogy from Queen Studios in Art 112 scale action figures. You guess it right guys. Catwoman lang naman. Ayan guys. Nakikita nyo yan. So, if you've seen the unboxing video on my page on Facebook and YouTube, you will know already the parts and the actual accessories included. So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin is the articulation and the details. So, tara, let's go! Alright guys, so ito na guys. So, in front of you are two Queen Studios in Art 112 scale action figure from The Dark Knight Rises. So, we have, before na-review na natin, Christian Bale, Batman. Alright, and right now we will be doing Catwoman. Yan. So, alis ka muna dyan, Bale. Alright, so this is again the Catwoman from The Dark Knight Rises from Queen Studio. So big shout out to Queen Studio in Art for making this happen for this awesome action figure guys. Ayan, kita nyo naman, napakaganda. So we go first on the details guys. So details, napaka-solid, sobrang ganda kung titingnan nyo yan. Alright. Kita nyo, head sculpt pa lang, napakaganda. And this is from the movie itself. Kuwang-kuha niya ang bodysuit ni Selina Kyle, Catwoman. Kita nyo, parang matte or glossy matte spandex finish yung kanyang bodysuit, and as well yung boots, head sculpt. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, napakaganda. And guys, look at that. Mata pa lang. At labi. Anne Hathaway na. Talagang talaga. Ayan. So it comes as well from other accessories. Ayan, kagaya nito. Yung sa goggles niya. And yung accessories, isang additional accessories, kung nakita nyo yung unboxing video from my page, yan, makikita lahat ng accessories. May extra hair, parang, how do you call it? Yung hair na yun is wavy, na parang wind, nabublow ng wind ang dating. Yan. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo. So, tatanggalin nyo lang yung head. Then, ito na siya. At the back part, makikita nyo kung paano tatanggalin yung extended hair, yung additional hair. Ayan. Re-replace lang siya. Swap lang siya. No magnetic whatsoever. Talagang joint ang niya, ang kabitan. Ayan. Ganda. So, papakita ko na rin yung unmasked head. So, ito pinakita ko rin sa unboxing video. So, ito siya. Napakaganda. Ano naman? Realistic. Para ka nang nagkaroon ng 112 scale na Hot Toys. Ayan. Here pa lang details. Napakaganda. Napakasulit guys. So, sobrang panalo. Nakikita niyo. No? Ganda. Tangos pa ng ilong. Articulation wise, this entire figure guys only has or had at least 22 points of articulation. Pero dun sa 22 points of articulation, napakasulit niya guys. Napakaganda. Yan. Head can do 360 degrees kahit may hair yan. Ayan. Chin up. Medyo limited yung pag look up niya dahil dun sa hair. Kita niyo naman sa likod. Tumatama sa back niya. But looking down, kayang-kaya. Ayan, full bend niya. 45 degrees, guys. Sulit. Then, upper torso, kung makikita nyo, ayan. May swivel yan, napakasulit. And then bendable. And at the same time, materials na made nito is PVC ABS plastic. Then sa shoulders, napakakunat pa guys. Napaka-tight. Ball jointed. Double jointed naman sa elbow. Kung makikita nyo, para siyang SHF style. Pero mas pinaganda, pina-improve. At ang kinaganda dito is medyo covered yung ball joint niya dito. Yan. Dahil dun sa mahaba niyang gloves. Then sa wrist, can do 360 degrees, ball jointed. And guys, sa mga collector na may in-art, be very, very cautious kayo guys. Mag-ingat kayo kasi napakaliit ng ball joints niya, ball peg niya. Anytime, maling ikot nyo lang or maling replacement lang ng alternate hands, pwedeng mawala and pwede din mabali agad. Kaya mag-ingat kayo. Alright? Napakaliit lang niya kasi talaga. Then sa waist, ayan, makikita niyo sa waist. May swivel din yan. Alright? Ayan. Sa hips, sa thighs naman, or sa entire leg, can do a full split. Para makita niyo guys. Ayan o. Sulit. Ganda. No pull back action. Kasi may ibang action figures na yung kinaganda, ipo-pull mo lang yung legs, pull down, medyo haba siya para hindi mag-constrict sa articulation, lalong-lalo na dito sa area na to, sa hip. Right, so maging cautious din kayo kasi may tendency magkakaroon ka naman ng scratches here. Ball jointed din yan. Double jointed sa knees as you can see here. Ayan. Ganda oh. Can do every jumping post, kneeling post na napakaganda. Yan yung kinaganda dyan. Okay. And then, may tight swivel yan. So, para properly mo ma-post si Catwoman ng maayos. And sa ankle, then, ayan, can do 360 degrees. Alright. And bendable toe. So, medyo may times na si Catwoman may kahirapan itayo sa standing pose kasi nga yung heels niya masyadong manipis. So gagawa niya talaga siya ng paraan kung paano itayo ng maayos. Okay? But overall, this is a good, awesome, quality action figure. I can say so myself. Alright? So mga fan ng Batman or the Dark Knight trilogy, napakaganda nitong i-collect. Okay. So, yan. So, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pag nasobrahan siya ng pag-stretch or pull, yan o, naiipit. Kaya mag-ingat kayo. So, be very, very careful, guys. Okay? Overall, for me, on my opinion, this is a prestige, awesome action figure. I'll rate it a 10 out of 10. Details wise as well, 10 out of 10. And articulation, napaka solid guys, 10 out of 10. Napakaganda niyan guys. For the price, yes, it's a little bit pricey on my opinion. It's a little bit pricey, but again, this is a must-have in your collection. Napakaganda niya. So, yun lang guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick toy review for our Queen Studios InArt 112 scale Catwoman from the Dark Knight Rises movie. So again, this is Sumarock Luna. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Enjoy. Peace. Bye-bye.